And so today we are introducing a new notebook computer that we are calling the MacBook Pro.
What's up you guys, my name's Adi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my new MacBook Pro 15 inches with the touch bar. So, things that come in the box, your instruction manual and I think a couple of stickers. Yes. Okay. A quick guide. Some more paperwork and then your Apple stickers. It's good. Apple decided to get rid of.
We call this new feature MagSafe.
Convert it to the USB Type-C. And the power brick as well. It's USB Type-C. You're supposed to boot up on its own, but I don't really know. Oh, it did. So, these are the specs for my MacBook Pro. Since I live in India, I don't have the option of upgrading my MacBook Pro online like you can do in the US and I guess Europe as well. So yeah, this is a 15-inch MacBook Pro 2016. It's a 2.6 GHz processor, Core i7, 16 GB RAM with blah 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 blah. Intel HD graphics 530. It's a 1536 MB graphics card, and yeah, it's currently running on macOS High Sierra 10.13.4. So the built-in display is a 15.4 inch 2880 into 1800, and there's the graphics card information again. So let's get into the storage. I own a 250.69 GB laptop where I've already used tons of space and I still have 85 plus GB to go, and I've already installed all of my needed softwares that I'm going to be running on this laptop, and I still have 85 GB to go. Most of my data like my music, my movies, pictures, etc. are on my hard disk. Now, I do prefer keeping all my data on an external drive as I don't want my laptop to get cluttered. The problem with Apple products is if you start overloading the memory capacity on the laptop, it does start hanging a little bit. So I used this Western Digital hard drive to store all of my data, and it's a lifesaver since I don't have to pull out my laptop every single time to actually transfer some data to another person. I do that a lot, so yeah. External hard drives or SSDs. SSDs are really expensive, and I'm still a student that I can't afford one. So I'm good with hard drives. So let's talk about the pricing of this laptop. In India, this exact model costs 1.8 lakhs. That's 2,700 USD. But the initial price of this laptop used to be 2 lakhs, which is around, say, $2,900. So this was my review of my MacBook Pro 15 inches with the TouchBar. Okay, just make sure to drop a like, and if you're new, my name's Adi. Make sure to subscribe. So yeah, thank you for watching.